What's going on, YouTube? Top Shelf P checking in, back at you with another update. You guys already know what's in this box. Let's get into these two boxes. It's just a ride today. So, we have in this box my Pioneer Double Den AVH 220 EX model. Didn't need nothing too flamboyant, just iPhone compatibility and Bluetooth. Didn't need GPS and all those other features that come with the top tier model. So, yeah. This is the amplifier wiring kit. This part supports up to 1500 watts, 4 gauge. I'm sure I'll probably upgrade some of that to 0 gauge. This is my 1500 watt RMS amplifier, 1 ohm stable. Let's get into this box. Yeah, this is the sub enclosure along with the 212s that are in there. I really don't feel like breaking it all the way down, but you get the picture. Right now, I think I'm just gonna have him install these in the back and get it assembled to customize the trunk, which is something that I planned on doing later this winter, because I still have to get the undercarriage of the vert lizard skin. So I want to go ahead and do all of that at that point. Plus, I'm ready to ride for the rest of the summer. So if I can give me about 2 or 3 months of riding, I can go ahead and get it back over there to him and he can custom build my truck. But for right now, I'm ready to listen to some audio. But yeah, Class D, 1500 watt amp, RMS, wiring kit, Pioneer Double Den. And as you all know, I already had the 6x9s, 5 1/4 super tweeters, and my 400 watt channel, 4-channel amp. Yeah, so he's supposed to get me in Friday. Hopefully things go as planned. I'll update y'all when I drop it off. Signing out.